ebusian for aha Ghana TV GH. Mesra like, a comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded. Ebusian for a branch of FN Wodemaya. He's learning. Say Ghana force say no. We funny man dia grossa. Wodemaya now you know pen asem because now you're youth or see or person or exhibit black culture, African culture. And now too going from country to country to show culture, no, some of the things that we did not know about our continent beautifully. Or we now call a Caribbean, and I'm on Usukra na mikoti say o man bi wo hwa efe no Suriname. Enti Wodemaya why we nyi eti Wodemaya why we nyi na ewie no. Asa o we yempo. Enti on hu say nyama oye no as a youth no ye ni agi ho a onya popularity onya followership no. And odi ni hu ko gi politics mu. Na odi ni hu ko gi politics mu so wo oye bema abranti a we entrepreneur say no. Now somebody would have thought say you will have rather been on the as a right winger. But Wodemaya didn't kobo NDC for. And when him say once you go and associate yourself to NDC there, mediocrity. And see, I'm not surprised. Say recently now pay visa be or breast and yaman visa. Even though all diplomatic passport or breast and grass. Yeah. Because you see, I can't say now no abrofo no omo hwe and so yeah brante na omo say now we all be out me support Gukobo kitinkiti over digitalization ube pede omukru ba bu safa enye nu na asem ne ne say Wodemaya akopɛ ne wansem akɔkyerɛ on Facebook say as long as everything is politicized, we should definitely forget about development. Again, or see, as long as everything is politicized, we should definitely forget about development. And a post of a Troy or Facebook. Now, for Facebook for I say Ghana for our Facebook. I'm not finding one channel cry. Debbie. Da. Na ye comment ni ma. Mwambe hu. Fifi Saj aka say, under President Akufo-Addo, you saw Galamsey was about leadership and immediately John Mahama took over. You turn around to blame it on the citizens. This is what the politicization is all about. You hypocrite. Yeah. Ebra Akufo-Addo wo hono. Now Wodemaya say Galamsey no a leadership issue. The bus stops with the president. So Mamperinu pair. Galamsey can become a thing of the past. But Mama Baye there, we see a young citizen for no, yeah, na yasunye din. Na Mahama oye ni obetimi aye bia by as citizens no, yasuye din tina ye mbua Mahama say Galamsey bejai. Is that not politicization? Receipt no ho, ebe kayo. OBC, stop crying. You hypocrite. When it got to your government's tenure, it is politicization. Obviously, the International Conference on LGBTQ plus activism and political movements is ending today in Ghana. And all these wicked and evil supposed men of God are quiet. Evil clergy who joined president to sell our country to the LGBTQ plus community. Shame on you. Unso de oko offside kakraba unso di ni de abahiti President Mahama. And I say, is the third term for JM still assured? And now you can explain. We yalikra mukaya. Sa Wodemaya can confirm muka say satisa third term for Mahama agenda no. Enti besides now the way ni amane kono any diesel do 17 cities no. Sa third term is still assured for Mahama. See Wodemaya say we yalikra. Nana D says that. When did you realize this? Because we know just 2 years ago. Just 2 years ago, you were all over the place. Yeah, but you're more reward by giving you a diplomatic passport. And yes, sir. Yasemen of Zochre. Prince Pablo says, as if he's not a politician, and he added a laughing emoji. Lee says that some animals are more equal than others. There will always be divergent views no matter the circumstances. Richard says that, are you now seeing it or you know it already? Thinking aloud. Charlie, there are people, I like what is happening. I like what is happening. Okay? Wodemaya said a lot of things. And she said, yeah, people have kept receipts. Now, Matiso said, Crawford Bebre delete on previous post. Mude Mukoswa delete. Now, me on pe boni, ewo mu bebre wo. Te mude mun delete. I said, mu name na ni ayewo, wakako delete ya. Masube ship, so be stream we go laugh you die. Let's listen to an interesting conversation after this one. But before then, Mumbai a studio project, no. Naba na screen as a kito abianswa. Mumbai wa midamasi.
Ja odekwa wiye. Asofofo no fake fo na omwo Ghana no. Ena sisi yebesi peg na yegu manimu ase. Na umutumi kankan na umagie no. A umo ede se wo man no. Yebehwe na yebie Ghana fo ani. Ghana fo yasemo ya na yemunu bise no de ye wahanum ebom ho ban ne agemo tata ye yemu kakra sanye ye ya wo hini bi wo wataki centuries na ye freno King Lydia no ye de to ma no eye be madin o papa be man ho ofe yie o be man ho ofe chen ema nyina ewu wiase King Lydia ye be bo mo ho ban kakra te said de King Lydia enkoafo ebo no ho ban a wankoto nsuo ni mu no ye be ne kakra na ya gemotata na mafri saa abonefo wi mu anamo so King Lydia ene okogina ensu kasiem a eda ne kingdom achie na ohun se oba bi dansuo no mu an ho feye bana Lydia so na wonim se ye wono a Lydia no ene gina hote se wo ba na wasi wo kotonsuo no mu akwa ware oba no sana Ghana yayo asofofo ya dane awowo ya dane ano ede atwa ye ho ahia ene ya dansuom se bra na betonsuom ne wu bra menwale o ma me wata wodem bra menwale o na King Lydia de onya aboafo ne nkoa etwa no ho hia eboa no ama na ntonsuo no mu ankwanko enti saa na Ghana fo yen ye bebom ho ban et said de King Lydia wan tonsuo no mu ankwanko wu no ye bom ho ban ye beje mutata kakra Lydia be ma fefefe na wono ahu no ho wonsuom se wo ye oba na okwa kotonsuo no mu awu no ye mamu nkotom kra na mawu na ye bebom ho ban asofofo abonefo asofo tumudie ti said ye mama de kaye no saa nkrofo no ye beda wo mu nyina di nene omu so beda di na saa nkrofo no omu ho ano da efri se mama oman no awisia ho akire wo mu amobrohufo omu ho akire wo mu enyanka ho akire wo mu akunafo ho akire wo mu enam musunti obi ba ene wantimi anko school say or say begina kwan ho abeton dog chain abeton handkerchief PK Nazat or beton sa ne ma nyina enam musunti o ena say akuafo yentwa omoka makofa ne yem enye ye kan musa nkrofo wi edane mo ho ehan bofo ese mu betu ensem ahye nkrofo adwenem na oma adibone ampa maye bi ba ene de yese ebebo de aka no ban senia omu nkoto nsuru mu so mu kwa akwale omu aho yebebo omu ban mo na masefo enyina wo haw ene atete ebeba mo ne masefo enyina so muhu ano da sika na magye positions a magye a mu fi se na mu edi bone amagana fo ho akire wo mu no eye yare mo de beto aduru en samu yale da de be ka akire an se eyiwu na mu de bewu cause mama nkrofo ho akire wo mu ene enye wo bia se ene ayi anifrafo kra yesi entwe omuka ewie ne koka yenya se Mustafa Gbando se ho ahwan ese omu tene omu nsa wo ho omu wa ni kura mpo no omu nya adwuma nye na nti se mu nipa fa asem o ka kire mo no enti Ghana fo munkom kotodwane mu a Ghana fo ma se mu kodware a mumpa moto ase sab a fake passes we munko enti awo mu mumu o mabrabo mumu o mo hyebrɛntem bia o mabrabo be kwa akosie cause o ma sen nipa bebrebe enam o mafunti no ama nipa bebrebe ahwere wo mu nkwa ama nipa bebrebe enema bebrebe asai plane crash ebeba ye nyina eyo mua senkenyo mu ne kofa ba ye na anu ya mu kofa ba ya anka plane crash bia ni ho a anka besi plane kura kwa crash ye no the master who tie the story na plane na adru the time for the servicing but omo enam say sankrofo we ese yenkofa omo madwene ewo fom medi yeso ntino omso mo pa chaw na yema plane yemfanya adwuma ba ese week bi ansa na abefa akwaye ene ye ene so nyame wa onsi wo hene na ukope ahenche sha de bebanie nti menkasa bebrebe asofofo no de